Hey guys, this is Pundom on Pagam. Tonight on Imbewu, can you see the accident mission where Zetulele hit Slindile with a car, and he knows that why Mzandile wants to kill Zetulele. The Bengu decides to take a matter in their own hands when Mzwandile is missing. Kanyo found Mzwandile injured and turns to his welding the best she can. She assumes him that she had no idea what had happened and confessed to him that she loved him. Kanyo point Punyuga with a gun when Punyuga wants to see Mzwandile on her house. No, Poppy tell Nomsa that everything he do on the dark he will be revealed on the light, and it seems like Nomsa feel guilty about the words that comes from Poppy. The Pengo family got an unexpected surprise when Zetulele tell them that Sbongile is pregnant for his child. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.